Hello there everyone, today a short video on how to change your air filter on your Volvo S60, S80, V60, V70, XC60 or XC70. It's the same filter size and the same process. For this you will only need a T20 screwdriver. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to take off. They don't actually come off all the way, you just unscrew them. It's a pretty fast process. After this, you just lift a bit the case and take off your old filter that probably looks like this, and you just put in the new filter. If there is a lot of dirt in the box, you can vacuum it. This was pretty clean. Put it back and tighten the screws, and that's pretty much it.